Good evening, everyone, and we are now discussing the about my live painting video and why some viewers of my video says why is my painting are not have a fast forward or either cut or edit the video. There is the reason why I don't do that, and and because I want my painting no more cut, no more fast forward, and because I want to see my paintings in live and no more cut and no more fast forward. And you know why? Because, that's why I'm doing that, because I want all the young artists will learn and how to paint in using by medium of oil. And some of painters, they're using cut the video and forward the video, because some of viewers, especially the young artists, they don't know how to paint by using of cutting the video, editing the video. And why? Because all of artists must notice that on your video. It depends on the artist or the blogger. If you want to cut or edit the video, forward the video, it depends on them. But for me, it's not. But that but the but I want all the viewers, especially the young artists, will learn the technique of art of painting and the how to mix the color and how to use, especially the to blend or mixing the color, and to teach them how to paint. But any viewers have think about that, because I want to learn of the young artists from me, and that is the reason. And I am thankful of those of young artists and watching of my videos, and they are learn my technique and style of painting, especially plein air painting. And I hope you enjoy my video, and please continue to support my video. And in those person are not yet in subscribing my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel to click the notification bell so that you are always be updated with my new videos. And either please like and share my videos to your friends, to your families, to your of your neighbors, so that always keeping to support my channel and all of my subscribers and 326 subscribers. And thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope this I hope it will be added more my subscribers, so that I can help those artists and personally their needs, and to sponsor them, to help them. And if you help me to reach the subscribes until up to 80 to 100k subscribers, it was enough for me. 80k or 40k or 80 10 20k, 30k or above on that, and that is enough only. I hope we will reach that subscribers, even 100k, even just so that I can help my fellow artists, them, and to so that they will continue to work on painting and to help their materials and to manage or sponsor them. I hope please support my YouTube channel and subscribe, and also my um, people artists are not yet on my help. Wait and I will help you too in the other part of the Philippines. If you see me, if you need my help, just ask me to your art and to share you about my experience and how to paint nice painting. And please subscribe my channel so that if we will reach 80k subscribers or much more than that, so that I can help our fellow artists here in the Philippines, those needs, but because there's a lot of artists are not doing to paint because they don't have materials to use it. Please help me so that I can help our artists also, so that they can have a benefits to continue their work on painting. And I am really appreciate that, and whatever you want, so that I can help them by sponsoring their materials, their needs, their manage them, especially others person needs also help. And I hope you have to tell someone to subscribe my channel, and please continue to support my channel, my new upcoming videos, so that we will continue so that I will continue uploading my channel, and watch my YouTube channel, especially my first solo art exhibit here in Davao City and my Philippine tour solo art exhibit, so that so that many people can subscribe my YouTube channel. And I hope, and I will see you to my next my video, and watch and wait my upcoming YouTube video in next month, my newest video in live painting. And thank you, and my friends, to all people in the Philippines, and thank you so much, and take care, and goodbye.